Well, after my break, I came back to question number 5. So welcome one more time to my little tutorials of how to do every single question of the midterm practice exam. So for this question, it asks us to first create a drop-down list. So we already know how to do that. Basically, we're going to select this, go to data, and then go to data validation right here. Change this into a list format, and then the source will be this. Okay, click OK, and as you can see, here are the 3 options. You can select any and you can begin. So before you begin, I highly recommend again that you define the ranges that you're going to use. In this case, number of customers, age, site visits, annual income, gender, and the quality rating. Okay, not this quality rating. I committed that mistake a few minutes earlier. You can use this quality rating instead. Okay, so to begin with, you are going to use count if function pretty much. But instead of using the regular count if, you're going to add an s to that and use this one instead, the count ifs. So this function, the difference with the other one is that it adds more criteria ranges, and you will see why. So let me begin with my quality range, right? We're going to select this quality rating, and then we are going to anchor it. You will see why in a minute. And then comma, and then you want to do a gender, and then select this, close the parentheses, and click OK. So now as you can see here, when you change this, that number changes, meaning that it works. And if you want to double check, just any chance here, you can see 50% because I still have to do the male one. Okay, so here's why I anchor it. So you can copy and paste it. And all you need to do is instead of, oh, well, never mind. It like changed automatic for some reason. That's cool. Okay, so now for the average age, what you want to do, let me check if that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. Weird, but I'll take it. So for the average age, what you want to do is do an average ifs with an S. That way you can use more criteria, so average ifs. Okay, so now you want to use your age, the quality rating, and then you're going to use this, anchor it. You can anchor it by pressing function and F4. And if you're on a Mac, you can press Command F4. I think it's called Command. It's a little thingy square. Okay, so let me take this out of the way. And then you want to use gender and one more time. Excuse me. And one more time, click female. And there you go. So now you copy it here and there. And well, it's weird. Oh, it's an average. Okay, it's not weird at all. Okay, and now I realize why it changes automatically. Since you're anchoring it, it does it for you. Okay, so that's why you anchor it as well. I didn't know that, but cool. Okay, so now for total site visits, this is the sum ifs, and you will want to do the site visits. Here you go, tab, comma, and then the quality rating, and then you're going to select this. Remember to anchor it, in this case, not always. And then you want to press gender, and then one more time, basics, just like that. Now you control copy and control V. Double check just in case, 100%. And lastly, last but not least, you want to use an average ifs function again. We use this for number 2 right here. And then this will be annual income, the second one, and then your quality rating, and then this one right here, anchor it, then gender, and lastly, female. Now you copy, and now you paste it here, and just like that, quick and easy, you got 100% on every single one of them. This is simple stuff. We did this already, so you should know how to do it. But if you don't know, here's the tutorial for it. I hope it helps.